Hello and welcome to another new video. So in this video we are going to discuss about Windows command prompt. So what is command prompt? Command prompt is a command line interface. So this is the alternative of graphical user interface. So what is graphical user interface? So as you can see, this is the arrow. If we right click, then it will show these options. So we can create new folder by clicking here. We can name something for this folder. Let's say example. So like this is called the graphical user interface. But we have an alternative way which is called command line interface. So how we can use command line interface? So let's get into that. So in the search bar you can type cmd. So the command prompt will open. So this is the Windows command prompt interface. So how we can use this command prompt? So there are some command that we are going to use here. The first command is var version, to see the version of Microsoft Windows. Here you can see my Microsoft version is 10.0. And the next command we are going to learn, which is cls, to clear the screen. So if you want to make the command prompt look interesting, then you can change the color. So just type COLY color and type help flag. So it will show all the necessary thing you need to type to change the color. So here you can see 0 for black, 1 for blue, just like this. So let's give it a try. Color 0, so the background will be black for 0, and if we type A, the foreground will be light green. So here you can see the color has been changed. So let's type cls clear screen. So where we are in the C drive user folder inside the HP folder. So if we see this manually, so this is my computer. So here is my C drive, here is my user folder. So inside here is my HP folder. So if you see, all the folders are here. So we can see manually all the files and folders here. But if we want to see them using the command, then we have to type dir to show all the folders and files from here. Now let's go inside a folder. So if we see, we have desktop here. So we want to go inside our desktop. So cd means change directory, go to desktop. So we are inside desktop. That means we are right now here. Here is our pointer. Let's say we want to create a folder just like this example one. So how we can do this? Just type mkdir and the folder name. Let's say the folder name is 1. And you can see the folder has been created. So if you want to go inside the folder, just type cd and type the folder name and press tab to auto completion. So we are inside the 1 folder. So if we type directory, so you can see the folder is empty. We don't have any files and folders here, but we can see a dot folder, dot directory and dot directory. So these are the by default directory that is located in all the directories that is newly created. So what are the purpose of this? So if we type cd dot, that means we are in the current folder. But if we type cd double dot, then we can go back one step into the desktop folder. So if we want to go back into the one folder again, then we have to type cd and 1. So here you can see we're inside one folder. So if you want to create another directory inside the one directory, if you see the one directory is right now empty. Here you can see the one directory is empty. So we want to create another directory inside this one directory. So type mkdir and type two. So two directories created inside the one directory. If we type dir right now, you can see the two directory has been created. If we see manually, it will also show. So here you can see inside the one directory we have another directory which is 2. If we want to navigate into the 2 directory, then we have to type cd 2. So here you can see we are inside the 2 directory. So if you see, I have misspelled the directory name TWO. So if we want to correct the name, so how you can do this? Let's get back to one step. So we are inside one directory. For renaming a directory, type REN for the short form of rename, and type the previous name TWO and type TOW. To make the directory name capitalize. Okay, you can see the folder name has been changed. If we see manually, then you can see the folder name has been changed to uppercase. So if we want to delete this directory, we have to type rmdir and type TWO. If we hit enter, then you can see the directory has gone. So it has been deleted. So that's the pretty much basic from this video. In the next video, we are going to cover much more in details of some tips and tricks of the CMD. So till then, take care. Bye.